Look, that's his best friend down there coming up. Get him. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Go for it. Go. See? Yeah. See that? In the middle of the street. Two best friends. Oh, there go Pitbull over there. That's right in front of the Pitbull yard. Oh, what the hell did we do? What the hell did we do? You go to Pit. Come on, kids. Yeah. What's her name?
Simone.
Oh, Simone, the Pit. She wanna come out to. She wanna be a part of the fun.
She play with King too.
Oh, well, I don't know about King. So I don't know if she knows. I know, right?
What happened? Out here.
Kingston ski.
We were coming down the street and somebody was sitting on your porch
Jordan.
and she would not leave. I was like, that is not
There's a Pitbull over there. She want to come out to play, but not today. King. Yeah, it's the besties. It's the besties. Yep. King and Kingston. The white one, the whiter shaded one is King, and that's my dog Kingston. But these are best friends. And then Simone, the Pit, she wanna come out. Because she played with Kingston, with King over there, because King live down there. But Kingston, I don't know about him playing with no Pit. He don't like no bigger dog. He ain't scared of no dog. But he would walk up to any dog. The last time he was friends with a dog, I mean this big dog. And dog, met twice. And the third occasion, she attacked Kingston. Like, almost bit his face off. I'm like, oh, but it's not like a Pitbull out. Man, I'm not down for that. I'm not down for that. And the owner of the Pit knows I'm scared of the Pit. We don't want to be friends. We don't want to be, we don't want to be, he too damn big. She need to go play with a Pitbull. Our home side, she needs to look for a man Pitbull to sit down with. But not mocking him. In Kingston. Why did they have to stop right in front of Simone? Now Simone excited. She won't come outside. Right, King? None of that one. Okay. Yeah. Both of y'all walk. King? Hey! Come. No, come. Hey. Hey, boy. Where you going? Come on. See that?